If you are passionate about trading and you are watching a lot of content about that, you might saw advertises and videos like that.
I mean, in 2.5 weeks, I can make 4K.
So I started with £500 and then over the course from like June, I made £5,000.
It's currently up to £2,336. I started at the minimum of £350.
So what they are doing? They are trying to catch beginners by selling them two things: luxury lifestyle and easy high percentage of the profit in the short period of time. They will provide for them few sessions of the free education. After that, they will add them in some closed Telegram group with the signal. This signal will be with the very high volume, and if this guy will lost his money, they will tell him you should redeposit because this is reality of the market. Sometimes it might happen. Or if this guy will make profit, they will tell them, okay, so let's record with you this video with the positive review that you made with us huge amount of money in the short period of time. And what they are interested in is just in affiliate CPA payout from the Forex broker company. This is it. Of course, for advanced, professional, and experienced trader, those guys, it's like a scammers, nothing more. But it's not video about them, you know. I ask myself, they are selling like acceleration of the profit from the small amount of money, and is it possible to do in professional way? I start searching, thinking about that, and you know, I found something special. So in this video I will show you the tool, the way how to accelerate the profit, how to accelerate the small deposit and make something good with the profit. So stay with this video until the end and let's start. So let's imagine this scenario. You are a trader with experience, with good knowledge, proper approach to the market. You have a trading strategy, but your problem that you don't have enough money on your account. So your balance, for example, from $100 to $50, and you have three options how you can move forward. Number one, you can trade in consistent way for a long period of time, for example 1-2 years, until you will get some statistic, and after that you will be able to like involve some investors in your trading. But this 2 year on 1 year you will be able to generate from $20 to $50 monthly, because $50 from 500 it's monthly in person. It's high profit in percentage but super low in dollars. This kind of profit will not allow you to sustain in your life in the proper way. Number two, you can go to the prop firms, but right now so many issues with the prop firms, and you know, like all these prop firms creating so many criteria and the rules that more probably you will not be able to pass this kind of challenges even if you will trade in plus. And number three, you can risk more and start trading with the huge volumes. When people thinking I need to generate more money, and why mostly people they are losing, they are starting to trade with the higher trading volume. Imagine if your deposit just $200 but you will trade with 0.01. You should be stupid if you will lose this $200 with trading volume just 0.01. But for example, if you even have a strategy, good proper trading strategy, by a trading volume will be higher, it's slowly becoming into the gambling, and probability that you will lose your money, it's really high. So this is it, what you should do next. And this is what I want to show you, because I found something special. So let me show you this strategy. For example, we have a deposit with the size of just $200. For this kind of deposit, the maximum or recommended trading volume that will not impact on our risk, that will not increase our risk of losing our capital, will be not more than 0.02. Imagine that we have a situation on the market where we make a decision that this is the very good option and good point to open buy position. For example, we want to put the stop loss somewhere here, and then they take profit, for example, somewhere here. When the people trading manually, the biggest problem for them, or how they are breaking the most important rule of the trading, which is maximizing your risk with the maximizing your profit with the lowest trading risk, when they starting moving the stop loss even more down, you know, and when the price, for example, start going up, they are closing position even faster, where is take profit. But for example, we have a different scenario, you know, we will trade exactly as mentioned in the strategy, and we have three options. Number one option, first option, the price can go down and we will close it in minus. The second option, the price can go up and we will close it in plus. And the third option, which people are using is often, if the price, for example, went a little bit up, what we will do, we will move our stop loss, let's say in small plus or in zero. So if the price, for example, will return into it, we will close it like in small plus. If the price will go even more up, we will again move our trade. But I have a totally different vision for this kind of example that will give us chance to really accelerate our deposit in the proper way. Because listen, with 002 trading volume, of course it's almost impossible to make a huge profit. So for example, the price start going up, so we are in plus, but instead of closing it but take profit, we will add here one more position. We will open one more position with the bigger trading volume. For example, here we can open a position of 0.2. And what will be our stop loss? Our stop loss, or for example our risk, will be all this profit that we generated before, you know. So this profit, it's becoming our stop loss. So the standard stop loss we will take here just with 002. Here, if we will close all this position, we will close in the small plus. But for example, with 0.2, if the price will go up a little bit more, we will be able to make for in one trade to make just 10, 20 or 30% of the profit. But let me show you the example how it looks like on the chart, because of course you can ask me, okay Alex, it's clear, but for example, which volume I should open in this kind of case, where I should put the stop loss, how I can do all this calculation, and which kind of point where I should put the take profit, and you know how I should accelerate. So that's why we create this special tool that will do for you all calculation in automatic way. So let me show you something on the laptop. So guys, before watching this part, I highly recommend you to do two things. First of all, watch this video where I was showing the trading bot based on the fractals, because we put this method of acceleration, position acceleration in this kind of strategy, and in the future updates we will also share with you the special tool that you can use for any trading strategy, this method of the risk management. So highly recommend you to subscribe for this channel and also for my Telegram channel. All the links I will put in the description. And the second point, if you want to understand like deeper the logic of this position acceleration risk management strategy, I highly recommend you to check the article. And this is like a huge work what we are doing from our side, because we are giving you video description and also like article tutorial about everything. So don't forget to like, comment and share video with your friends. But let's go to my terminal and I will show you something special, what I promise you. For example, let's put gold for H1 from the beginning of 2023, and you see I put deposit just $200. If we will go to the inputs, the most important what you will be able to see, this is the trading volume. So 002 for the gold, even for gold 002 it's a little bit higher, but let us check how, for example, it was trading just with the fixed trading volume, stop loss, take profit and anything else. Let's do the back test and we can see exactly that during this period of time, like let us check the back test results, it was just $633 of the plus. Drawdown, by the way, it's 421, because when it was in the profit it was making some drawdown. Profit trade just 48%, so nothing special. Of course, the logic of fractals trading strategy, it's good, it's give you a chance to generate profit. You see, even if you will follow the simple rule with the fixed stop loss and take profit, you will be able to generate a profit, but for that it will take long time and the equity will not something special. But then let me add this logic of the position acceleration and you will be impressed right now. So one more time, $200 H1 just for 1.5 years, and let me show you the results. Equity looks better, correct? If we're going to final results, from $200 it made $2,868. I think it's wow, but let me show you exactly how it looks like in the chart. So guys, in the MetaTrader you have an option how you can do the back test, but checking all the trades by enabling this visual mode on the display. So we'll be able to see exactly how it's trading everything in the proper way. Let's remove some grid. Okay, we'll make a little bit like that, and then we will stop, because there I want to show you like trades, how it's look like on the real chart, how it's trading. And here is the beautiful option that, for example, here you can see it's opened by 0.2. When the position was in plus, instead of closing it, it's add one more volume, you know, 0.2, and close it with the short profit. So it was short acceleration, but from 0.02, when position in plus, it's adding some risk, but we are risking just the size of our profit, 0.2. Also, here is two more examples. See, it's open sell, instead of closing, it's add one more, 0.2, you know, and we take additional profits. So we'll be able to arrange. This is how we are able to generate and accelerate, to push our profits, to develop our profits and generate additional percentage. Also here you see it's open sell with 0.2, and then instead of closing we add 0.2, you know. So this is the beauty of this kind of strategy, and right now I will show you how amazing it's working in some kind of instrument that even like more aggressive, for example as a Bitcoin. Let me show you a few more examples with the stop losses. For example, here again you see sell, we add, closed, sell, we add one more extra position of 0.19. As per the algorithm we close in plus. Buy, it's also added more. So for example, when we're closing the stop losses, you see it's hard to show you the stop loss. When we are closing position by the stop loss, for example, it's here, you see 0.2, and we close it 0.2. This is it. So we are taking stop losses with the small trading volume, you know. Then we might close a lot of positions in zero, you know, because we'll add additional position, it will close. But when we are making profit, we are making huge profit. And let me show you another set, especially for the Bitcoin, because it will work the best for the instruments that moving a little bit like more actively in comparison with the simple currencies. Because for the currencies it's working, but not so dramatic in comparison with the more aggressive instruments like gold or for the crypto. Let's go for the Bitcoin, choose the Bitcoin, the same $200, but we'll took the leverage 1 to 100, and let's put this kind of special set for this kind of strategy. Let's put first of all acceleration like less aggressive, disable 1100, $200 starting deposit. Okay, let's check how it will looks like on the chart. You see it almost was trading in plus, like in small plus, for example. So even with this kind of fractal trading strategy video about, I'm highly recommend you to watch, it generate 1400 net profit, but with the drawdown $407. But let's put us a little bit more aggressive acceleration. Don't forget that we are risking just of our profit. All stop losses we will take with the simple trading volume, with the standard trading volume, just 0.02. And let's check it with the Bitcoin H1 starting deposit just of $200. It's beautiful, you know, because the final result is $6,000. So can you imagine, from $200, this way of the risk management give us chance to generate profit, total net profit $6,000, you know, with the maximum drawdown just $467. This is the beauty of this trading strategy. As usually, if you like it, if you want to test on your own account, message me. I will send you this bot. You can open account in my partner broker company. I will give you this bot even with the set for the euro, dollar, gold and the Bitcoin, and let's make some profit together. Thank you very much for watching this video, and hope you will make huge amounts of profit even with the small deposit on your account. So let's start.